In this video, I will be showing you how to use the pen tool in Canva. Let's get started. First, from the Canva homepage, I click on Create a Design in the top left corner and choose YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Once the workspace loads, I head over to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In my recently used elements, I select this decorative pink frame with a bow and place it onto the canvas. I drag the corner handles to enlarge and center it nicely in the middle of the frame. To make tracing easier, I click on the element, select the transparency tool from the top toolbar, and lower the opacity down to 20% so it acts as a soft background guide. Now, I navigate back to the left menu and select the Draw tool. Here, you will see various pens, markers, and highlighters. I select the marker tool, choose black as my drawing color, and test the weight slider to find the right stroke thickness. I draw a test line along the edge, but seeing that it is slightly too thick, I click the Undo button at the top bar. I open the pen settings again and reduce the stroke weight down to around 22 for a much cleaner, more controlled outline. With the brush set, I begin smoothly tracing along the scalloped edges of the frame. I follow the wavy contours step by step, taking my time to keep the freehand lines steady and continuous. I continue tracing all the way along the top, down the right side, across the bottom, and back up the left until the entire outer border is cleanly drawn. Finally, I focus on the ribbon at the top. To capture the delicate inner creases of the bow, I open the Draw menu once more and reduce the stroke weight down to 8. Using this finer tip, I carefully trace the small inner details inside the ribbon loops. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use the pen tool in Canva.